Time has come for New Year resolutions. I have started making mine because it is 2023. तो मैं 7 तो बनाऊंगी, पर 3 तो मैंने आज ही सोच लिए. धीरे धीरे आपके साथ अपने अगले रेजोल्यूशंस भी शेयर करूंगी. शेयर इसलिए कर रही हूँ, शायद आपको भी कोई बात पसंद आ जाए, शायद आप भी उसको अपना लें, शायद आपका या दूसरों का फायदा हो जाए. So my new resolutions for next 2023, the total comes to 7, so 7 resolutions. That's how I progress every year. So 3 things that I have thought I am going to do in 2023 and starting from 1st January onwards, or rather 31st midnight onwards. The first thing that I'm going to do is that I am not going to buy things that I don't need enough. The second thing that I've thought about I'm going to do is I'm going to stay away from people who complain or gossip. Because आप जैसा सुनते हैं, जैसा करते हैं, eventually आपका mind वैसे हो जाता है. So why dive into a pit और फिर उससे बाहर निकलो? क्या ज़रूरत है रोज़ कुएं में गिरने की? This is not what I see myself doing, neither I enjoy. So why be with such people? If I can't completely cut them off, then I can at least avoid being with them or interacting with them. The third thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to give one compliment to a person, known or unknown, doesn't matter, but one compliment a day I am going to give to someone every day. This is what my 3 beginning of New Year resolutions are, and I'm going to do it every day so that it becomes my habit, it gets into my system. Very soon I'm going to complete my list, come to 7 New Year resolutions.